Long before computers, the dream of artificial intelligence began as a philosophical quest. It forced us to ask, what is thought? How does the physical brain create consciousness and reason? Are we born with knowledge, or do we learn everything from experience? These questions echo in the design of modern AI. The challenge is not just to process information, but to act on it, bridging the gap between knowing and doing. These ancient debates about mind, knowledge, and action are the foundation of artificial intelligence. Our story begins with Aristotle, who saw human thought as a structured process. He invented syllogism, a logical argument with two premises and a conclusion like, all men are mortal. Socrates is a man. Therefore, Socrates is mortal. Aristotle separated the form of an argument from its content, creating the first formal logic. This was the birth of the idea that reasoning could be mechanized, a concept at the heart of AI. Early AI systems, called expert systems, used rules just like Aristotle's logic to draw conclusions. The dream of AI is, in many ways, the ultimate fulfillment of Aristotle's vision, a machine that reasons about the world. The ancient quest to formalize reason found new life in the digital age. Centuries later, René Descartes argued that mind and body are separate. The mind is non-physical, the body physical. This dualism raised the question, can a machine ever have a true mind or only simulate thought? If the mind is a non-physical soul, AI may be impossible. But materialists like Hobbes disagree. They claim the mind is just what the brain does, a product of physical processes. This materialist view underpins modern AI. If thought is computation, then machines can, in principle, think. The challenge becomes one of engineering, not metaphysics. Today's AI is built on the assumption that intelligence can emerge from complex physical systems. Where does knowledge come from? Rationalists like Descartes believed in innate ideas and reason as the source of knowledge. Early AI mirrored this, using logic and rules to deduce new truths from built-in principles. Empiricists like John Locke argued the mind is a blank slate, learning everything from experience. This is the foundation of machine learning. AI systems start with no knowledge and learn from data. A neural network learns to recognize cats not by definition, but by seeing thousands of examples. Rationalism inspired rule-based AI. Empiricism inspired data-driven AI. The debate between these philosophies lives on in the architecture of modern AI. AI's two main branches, symbolic reasoning and machine learning, reflect this ancient divide. David Hume challenged empiricism by questioning induction, our habit of expecting the future to resemble the past. We predict the sun will rise because it always has, but there's no logical guarantee. This problem of induction haunts AI, which learns from past data to predict the future. When the world changes unexpectedly, AI can fail, because it's betting the future will match the past. To cope, modern AI uses probabilities, not certainties. Instead of saying, it will rain, an AI might say, there's an 80% chance of rain. Probabilistic reasoning lets AI act intelligently in an uncertain world. In the 20th century, logical positivists dreamed of a perfect language for science where every statement was either logically true or empirically verifiable. They wanted to formalize all knowledge using symbolic logic, eliminating ambiguity. This inspired early AI machines that represent the world as logical facts and reason with them. Good old-fashioned AI, GoFi, was built on this idea, intelligence as logical deduction over symbolic representations. For example, an AI could use facts like, on block A, block B to plan actions in a simple world. The logical positivists' vision became the blueprint for symbolic AI. Their quest for clarity and precision shaped the first generation of thinking machines. The roots of AI are deeply philosophical. Aristotle's logic, Descartes' mind-body debate, and the rationalist-empiricist divide all shaped AI's goals and methods. Materialism made it possible to imagine building a mind from physical parts. Rationalism led to rule-based systems, empiricism to machine learning. Hume's problem of induction brought probability into AI, while logical positivism inspired symbolic reasoning. Every breakthrough in AI echoes a philosophical argument. As AI evolves, it raises new questions about consciousness, ethics, and what it means to think, continuing the ancient conversation between philosophy and machine intelligence.